women's section. The other side, the Lounge, Rhea. Never heard of that. Another Latifah. Jimmy Choo, Passion, Yellow Diamond, Y'all, Libre. Love that one. Dolce & Gabbana, Light Blue, and the one. Jacobs, the Yard, Club Sunsets, Versace, Crystal Noir. Jimmy Choo, Versace and Jimmy Choo. The Irish. Little back up in there. Versace gift set. Coach Wild Rose. The gift sets on the table. Versace, Eros, Imagery, Samira John in the women's section. JPG. Divine. Okay. $89. Yeah. Coach Platinum Seville. Need that in the collection. Hot Lash. Boy. Alright, let's see what the men's section got going on. We got Dolce & Gabbana, Dolce & Gabbana 1, Urban Heroes Slept On, Coach Platinum, Invictus Platinum. We got some Moschino. The rest of it is down there, but more Dolce & Gabbana got a Gucci, Guilty now, MCM, Bulgari, another Gucci Ferragamo. I heard this Neroli Wood by Bulgari is good. We got a Ferragamo red leather in there. Dolce & Gabbana K, Burberry Hero, Eros Flame. Y'all see, y'all tell me in the comments what y'all think. It's decent or worth picking up.